Yep, making good time, honey.
Yep, making some good time now.
Yep, making some good time. That seat may need some adjustment there.
Yes, I've got it.
Here, just let me
I got it.
check the mirrors. You know, more accidents are caused by not doing these little things.
Honey, your head, I can't see.
That's okay, I'm just getting the mileage, dear.
Yep, but I can't see.
And you're doing a great job.
Thanks, sweetie.
Okay, who's ready for a Browning vacation mileage update? Let's see. We're here, so we traveled. Fascinating. Careful, honey, there might be some speed traps up ahead.
Got it. Who's driving?
You are doing a great job, but I'd keep it at 50 or 55 tops.
Who's driving?
You are, and doing a great job. Isn't she, kids?
Yeah, Mom.
Great job.
Okay, let's see. Last year, we averaged almost 2 miles less per gallon over approximately the same distance. Oh no. Oh boy, honey. Looks like we got an RV coming up behind us.
Sweetheart, now I can't see.
That's okay, I got it.
Honey.
Yep, white boat trying to pass us on the left. Don't let him in.
I think that's so rude.
That's okay, just don't slow down.
But you said 55 tops.
I know what I said, but let's just see what she's got. Go ahead and punch it.
Come on, Mom.
Go ahead, Mom.
I'm trying, but he's right on top of us.
Well, that's why you gotta punch it. Honey, look, he's making his move. You gotta punch it.
Come on, go, Mom.
I'm not feeling the punch, sweetie. In fact, I'd say you're slowing down. Punch it.
He's speeding up.
No, you're slowing down.
Oh, I am not.
Oh, come on. Look, come on. You gotta punch it. Tell her, kids.
Come on, Mom.
Punch it.
There's somebody up ahead.
Then let's show them what you got. Show them that you won't back down. Go ahead and punch it.
I don't like this. He's too close.
You gotta punch it. Now.
Now just stop it. There is no way to stop something that big. He was right on top of us. And who is driving?
You are, and doing a great job. Now we're stuck here for who knows how long.
Oh, now you do your job and just leave me be.
Wait, is he slowing down? He is! He's slowing down on purpose!
No, he is not.
What is he doing?
Give it back.
Hey! Who wants to get in trouble back there? Because I am in no mood! No mood!
It only happened once.
Oh, this is ridiculous! This is ridiculous!
Honey, just calm down.
It unfolded like a crime of passion.
What is he doing? What in the world is he doing?
He's not doing anything, but my husband is acting like a 2-year-old.
It was called the Honking Incident.
Well, you're right. He isn't doing anything. He's doing nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Rarely spoken of, but never forgotten.
Okay, that's it. I am doing something. Can you believe it, honey? Can you believe it?
Don't you ever do that again! Who's driving? Who is driving? Who?
You are, and doing a great job. They just act like they, on the road.
Who?
You are. They just, on the road.
I have to go. Fine, I'm pulling over anyway because your father apparently needs to drive.
What are you laughing at? Son, come here. I need you to do something for me. I need you to go in there and talk to your mother. Tell her you love her, and tell her you're sorry, okay? And then come back and tell me how she's doing, okay? Go. Keep going. Just tell me how she's doing.